common question I get when people start meditating to my Shakti music is, how long should I meditate? And the answer is, for as long as you can. For as long as is comfortable. Maybe 1 minute more. If that is 5 minutes, then sit for 5 minutes. If that is 2 hours, then sit for 2 hours. In real meditation, especially with the Shakti music, there's a very powerful, subtle energy that is moving through you. And it takes time to integrate. It takes time for your mind to get used to the energy. It takes time for your body to get used to the energy. But consistency is important, because you start sitting for 5 minutes every day with the Shakti music, it's going to start to feel good. And you're going to want to sit for 10 minutes. And then you're going to sit for 10 minutes and it's going to feel good. And you're going to want to sit for 20. The deeper you go into meditation, the longer you stay in meditation. The longer you are drawn, you are attracted to being in deep states of consciousness. It becomes your home. But you cannot force yourself. You cannot say, I'm going to get enlightened by just sitting for 12 hours. You have to take time to get some exercise, do some stretches, and do other things. Why diet is so important. Because of the energy that is moving through your body, you want your body to be as clean and clear as possible. And you want to exercise because it helps move the energy in your body. If you want to go deeper, you do breathing techniques. You do chanting that helps purify the mind and body in a way that allows more and more energy to flow through. The yoga asanas, they're to help you be able to sit for longer periods of time. They're for conditioning your body for everything to be aligned so your body can be still for longer and longer periods of time. It's good to push yourself at times. But then it's good to have time not meditating. Not to take days away from meditation. Meditate every day. But do as much as is comfortable and a little more. If you feel like you've drank 8 cups of coffee, you've meditated too much. You need to go get some exercise. If your body starts to hurt to the point of distraction, you need to stand up and move around. Don't try and force yourself. Be good to yourself. Meditation is about touching goodness. It's about touching the bliss that nurtures, nourishes, and awakens you. But even too much medicine can be bad for you. So that's clear, yeah? If you got something good out of this video, please feel free to comment. May you be blessed in her supreme joy. Om Shri Gurave Namaha. Much love to you. Much love.